Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uwei na Dkhot joka Hnlc, belatip kerteng kemuba Emmanuel Suchan. Hnlc step ulawan Pyndemwait no ilade Khmat ADM Khliehriat. Abai keren bu menteri rangba ukon rat sangma ulai tu ba Uwei na Dkhot ba Khmat joka Hnlc ulawan Pyndemwait no ilade Khliehriat.
Yeah, so that surrender has taken place, but as I said, the full report has not come to me. I was informed about this, earlier only, and was informed that the concerned person will be surrendering. This was a development that I was mentioning to you in the morning, if you remember, that 4 more developments will take place. So the concerned person is a very important person in the group, and police will come out with a full report on that. I don't feel appropriate that I need to share at this point in time all those informations. So these are very sensitive information that is there. Though of course the entire report has come to me, but the police department will come out with a full press briefing on it. But yes, it's confirmed that a very important person has surrendered from the Hnlc. Thank you.
Nakaliang Menteri Ketenat Kampo Iyeng ubala Kemen Rembui. Ulai tu ba Emmanuel Suchan. Uluan pendem no ilade Khmat ADM Khliehriat. Uba Suchan ulah penyeso ilade barka Hnlc House Nam Arjar R. Bat Ketenat Pulit kelayok ban kem yau House Nam Arjar Pra. Bala pengat yau haka MPDA. Bat syasat alam hadu lais nam. Bat deh Hnlc step ba uluan pendem buatnya ilade Khmat Kipulit.
Today in the morning, one Hnlc cadre by the name of Emmanuel Suchan has surrendered himself to the ADM of Khliehriat, Eastern Hills at Khliehriat. So this person has joined the Hnlc in 2002, and he was arrested in 2008 and was jailed for 3 years under MPDA. But after that, he again went to his old habit. But better sense has prevailed. So today he surrendered himself to the police, and primarily we come to know that he has a hand in this blast in Star Cement and in this Khliehriat reserve. So the interrogation is still going on to know the full detail. So as of now, that is the thing which I want to brief you. Process of law will be taken, whatever may be deemed fit by the police department. As I said that all detail I have not, it is not there with me, but I'm very happy that he has surrendered to come into the mainstream. So government will do necessary thing.
That is
necessary detail is not there with me. I have already mentioned with you because that is the report which I know. Arrested, as you know, is 4 regarding the Khliehriat blast, but this is surrender. So investigation is still on. So necessary thing will do by the police department as and when we got credible information. I think that recovering of the bomb near the MPP office day for yesterday. So the police yesterday at around 3:30, they have picked up one suspect by the name Ksan Kupar. So he is a person from Pernai area, and the police have recovered some 2 mobile phones and other document, and investigation is still on to nab other person, if at all, who have a hand with him. Have done the diligent investigation based on the input, based on the credible evidence. That's why they have arrested him, and from the preliminary investigation, he has involved in placement of the bomb in that area. So as I said, I cannot divulge much as of now. So after thorough investigation, then only I can say something more. I have no comment on the location, but for my comment is that uh, this type of things should not be done at all. As I said time and again, the government time and again told that there is nothing could be solved by this confrontation or by other means. It is only by negotiation and all within the parameter of the Constitution of India. Coming back, I'm very happy that at least today, with the help of the citizen, with the help of other people, that Emmanuel Suchen has surrendered to the police. So this is